We'll start with making mini pizzas. First, we'll take dough and roll it with a rolling pin. Now our dough is all rolled and flat. And then we're going to be putting the pizza on top and then cutting it out. We'll cut out a bigger piece than the cutout. Then you'll remove the extra dough. Then you'll roll the edges to make it look like a pizza crust. Like this. All the way around. This is how it looks. Then we're going to be taking a mini pizza printout. Then we will turn the pizza cutout and then put glue on it, like this. Place the pizza cutout on the dough. Then we'll take brown watercolor and then paint the edges. This is how it looks after painting. Doesn't it look like a real pizza? We'll leave it to dry. After eating pizza, I crave for donuts, so let's make one. You can make whatever donut you want, but I'm going to be making a strawberry donut and a chocolate donut. First, we'll be making strawberry donut. We're going to be taking pink clay and roll it into a cylinder. Then you'll put it into a circle and then cut the extra, like this. Then join them properly and then smooth the edges. Now decoration time. I don't have any white glitter, but if you do, then use it. I only have silver glitter. So then you're going to be taking the donut and then putting it on like this. And then we made little sprinkles out of purple dough and then put this on like that. Like this. So this is how it looks. Now do the same for the chocolate donut. Take brown clay and repeat it all. Now it's time to decorate the chocolate donut. We're going to be decorating the chocolate donut with pink glitter and pink and purple sprinkles. Let's get started. Just gonna be putting this, that. How pretty does it look? And then we're going to be putting sprinkles on too. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now we're going to be letting it dry. Look, the pizza's done. This one too. Now I'm craving more food, so let's make some burgers. First, we'll make burger buns. We'll take yellow clay and cut it in half. Then we'll flatten them out. Then paint it brown with brown watercolor. Then we'll put small white dots to make it look like sesame seeds. Then we'll take green dough to make lettuce leaf. Then we'll flatten out with the hand. When you're done flattening out, then make some lines to make it look like a leaf. Take brown dough and flatten it out to make it look like a patty. Like this. Take red dough, flatten it out to make a tomato. Now all the pieces are ready. Take the lower bun first and then put the lettuce on. Then take the patty and the tomato and then put it on. Take the topper bun and put it on top. Whoa, this is big. Let's serve the food that we just made.